All right. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, sirs and ma'am, whichever time you're going to be watching this video. This is a short recording on how to respond to queries on REDCap. So you log into your account, which is your REDCap account. Then go to your project, whichever project you're working on. Either be it SSI, be it Caterpillar. You click on it. Then once you are in your project, and you'll find out that you can see at the left hand side a navigation bar here where you can see resolve issues. This is where you can find or locate your queries on REDCap. So you click on it. So here, this is case specific now. Depending on your center, this is the general one where you can find 494. This is the general one, but for your center, you might just see like 2, 3, 10, 40, depending on the query that has been raised or that is being raised for your center. So the first thing to do is to review your query by coming to say the comments. So the comment says, kindly enter the dates of hospital admission for surgery. So that is the query that was raised. Then to locate the patient, this may be your record ID or your trial number, depending on when what you're setting here. So right click on it and you could open with a new tab. This is it here. So now we are sure that the patient's date of hospital admission for surgery was not captured. So you might need to click on it or click on this calendar or date icon here. Click on it to enter the date for this particular patient. Having done that, you might want to check through your form again. We are inside the preoperative form, data form. Having done that, check for other ones. Maybe there was an omission. Check, for instance, this is the BMI, which is omitted here. You might need to fill it up before a query will be raised on it and things like that. So having done that, and you are sure that all the information on this particular form is complete on your own end, you would change this status, form status. You can see it, form status here, which is change it to unverified. So if you change it to unverified, then you will save and exit the form. Having done that, you will now go to your resolve or come back into this page. If you save, this is a live account, so I would not want to alter the data set here. You would just follow the instruction. You save and open up this page again, then respond. You can either respond to the query here. You would have noticed that an information would have dropped down here by the time you have saved. Then you just write under it and indicate that, oh, this, whatever information you need to enter to explain, just to explain what had happened, maybe an oversight or an error or missing data. You just need to explain briefly. Then you might need to click on the response type, the category, corrected data missing, typographical error, wrong source used, confirmed, either category, either one of the category you fall into. Then you click on respond to query. Then that is all that you need to do to respond to the query. And how will you know that you have responded to query, or perhaps you want to select the queries that you have responded to? You will come to this filter here and click on, you will find open responded. So by the time this bubble icon changes to something like a gray icon here, it is indicating that you have responded to it. And by the time the hub office or the reviewing center verifies that data, this will change to green and that query has been closed. So that is how you respond to your query on REDCap. Then lastly, maybe let me also touch this. This is this is for one of the centers, which is actually yellow, meaning that the person has saved this form as unverified. If you save as unverified, you get a yellow icon just like this. So let me try to see if I can find examples of different ones. Just let me increase the record. Let's see. Let's just do it. This might take a minute. Okay. So we have some centers. So let's just take a look at this. Okay. See anyone that has experience. Okay. Let's just take a look at this. So for this particular patient, we can see that all information has been entered here, but this is incomplete. You only put this incomplete if you have gotten a notification from the hub office that you should change this to complete. So, but you can see it's on green for complete. And let's check the other form, the perioperative data, which is indicating red. You can see that it's incomplete. And one other way where you could see the guide again would be that the legend here. Incomplete, unverified, and complete. And this is how we can navigate ourselves to respond to queries promptly. I hope this short video has helped us to know how to respond to queries and also save our records on REDCap. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.